Lamps are often an overlooked element in home decor, but they can totally make or break a room. Not only do they provide essential lighting, but they can also add a touch of style and sophistication to your space. From modern and sleek to vintage and ornate, lamps come in a wide range of styles that can enhance both functionality and aesthetics. Finding the right lighting solutions can be a real challenge. You want something that complements your existing decor, but also provides enough light to make your space feel welcoming. It's easy to get stuck in a rut and end up with boring, generic lighting that doesn't really add anything to your room. And let's be real, who hasn't been guilty of using harsh overhead lighting that makes a space feel cold and uninviting? Another common struggle is balancing form and function. You want a lamp that looks great, but also provides enough light to read or work. And then there's the issue of scale. A lamp that's too big can overwhelm a space, while one that's too small can get lost. So, how do you find the perfect lamp for your home? When it comes to choosing a lamp, there are a few things to consider. Think about the style of your space and what kind of vibe you're going for. Do you want a lamp that's bold and statement-making, or something more understated? Consider the color scheme and how your lamp will fit in. And don't forget about size. Measure your space and choose a lamp that's proportional. From table lamps to floor lamps, there are so many styles to choose from. You can go for a classic look with a traditional lamp, or try something more modern and sculptural. And don't forget about the power of texture. A lamp with an interesting texture can add depth and visual interest to your space. Let's take a look at a stunning before and after transformation of a room featuring new lamps. This space was feeling dark and drab, but with the addition of a few stylish lamps, it's completely transformed. The new lamps add a warm and welcoming glow and really make the room feel cozy. It's amazing how such a simple change can make such an impact. The dramatic effect of good lighting can't be overstated. It's not just about brightness, it's about ambiance and atmosphere. With the right lamps, you can create a space that feels relaxing and calming, or energizing and invigorating. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, lamps are a simple and effective way to elevate your space's overall feel. They can add style, functionality, and ambiance, making them a total game changer for home decor. So I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite lamp styles? Share with me in the comments below. And if you're looking for more home decorating tips, be sure to check out my next video for some inspiration.